We're going to learn how to plant ice plants and how to help them grow and spread in our garden. Ice plant is a great perennial. It blooms in summertime, early summer. As you can see, these flowers, they have these beautiful, nice circular purple flowers that come out in the spring. It's early in the morning, so they're all closed up. But this whole area is going to be covered with these beautiful purple flowers. There are perennials. They flower in summertime all the way to the end of summer when it's nice and hot. And as you can see, they're beautiful. The leaves are like cactus leaves. They're like succulents. They're very nice and soft. They just look so pretty. So all you do is you clip one. You see how they're in bunches? Just clip one, and of course I'm not going to touch the ones with blooms. And poke a hole in the ground and put the clipping right in, and make sure with your hand you press it in so it'll be nice and tight. It needs a nice dry soil. It doesn't need to be in water, in a moist soil, and good drainage. So water it just a tad, but come back in the morning, and if you see the leaves are droopy, make sure you tend to it again, maybe water it, but just leave it alone. And if the leaves are popping up, standing straight up, you're doing a good job. As you can see, I have planted all of these from this main plant. I had a small plant that I had bought from a store, and I wasn't really familiar with ice plant, and I just started cutting them and planting them around the house, and they're really doing well. All of these are going to bloom. See? And what I do is I usually cut the ones hanging so we don't have to worry about them getting crushed. Try them. You will love the flowers, and they bloom all summer long.